So today is significant because we're celebrating the unveiling of the historical marker for James Lee School. It's significant because the Lee family symbolizes the ability of African American families to be able to purchase land and to utilize that land as proponents for education, civil activism in a post-Civil War era.
In the immortal words of Sam Cooke, it's been a long time coming. To see this marker commemorating the James Lee School, a school that has meant so much to so many for so long, is truly gratifying. This school represents the very best in the concept of a true neighborhood school.
For me, this is so important. I was able to grow up here in Fairfax County as an immigrant student, learning about so much of the history, but never having learned about the history of our communities, like our African American community and others who were not taught in our history books and our history lessons. And so especially as we get ready to launch our historical marker contest in January, I think today was a prime example of why we need to study, celebrate, commemorate, and ensure that the history that hasn't been taught to our students is taught, is included in the wide breadth of the history that we teach here in Fairfax County.
The elementary school transitioned into a community center. The community center provides opportunities for our youth, African American, folks who are new to the country to be able to come and participate in after-school programming, Saturday programs, sports, and other family events. So we invite you to come out to the James Lee Community Center to participate in the multiple activities that we have, our festive events. If you're interested in sports, take advantage of our two gyms. We have rooms for community meetings, civic engagement, multi-purpose rooms for arts, crafts, and a lot of other activities.